spicy grilled deviled eggs. Deviled, what does deviled egg mean? Is it this? No, in the 1700s, deviled just meant spicy. Any spicy food was considered deviled. Does it make any difference what kind of eggs you use? Well, it does. If you use standard grocery store eggs, they're okay, they're all right, but they're not the best flavor and color that you can have for this dish. It's up to you. So we're using pasture-raised eggs, just bought from the supermarket. They're a couple of dollars more than a regular egg, but I think they're worth it. Let's open it up and see what we have here. Oh, it even comes with a little newspaper telling us all about the eggs and who they came from. This came from Mildred, this one came from Jemima, and this one is of unknown origin. This is a super recipe. It's really kicking up the deviled egg from the regular old deviled egg, whatever that is. So we're gonna make it spicy, we're gonna make it amazing, and we're gonna grill it. Not many people grill deviled eggs, but it is superb when you do it. Here we are at the egg boiling pan station. We're gonna do 6 eggs today. We cut them in half. That would make 12 sides. Put the eggs into the pan of cold water. 6 eggs. Medium-high heat. Bring it to the boil. 9 to 10 minutes. 9 to 10 minutes is good. So make the perfect boiled egg. Come on, you. They're boiling! Turn the heat off, and leave them for 9 to 10 minutes. See you then. Done. They're ready. We're going to pull them out of the boiling water, the hot water at this stage, and put them instantly into ice water to do 2 things. Stop them cooking and to stop the sulfur from forming that gray ring around the yolk that sometimes happens if you let eggs cool slowly. A bit like Finnish people do when they go in the sauna, come running out and plunge into ice water. They don't get sulfur rings either. Eggs are cooled a little bit. We need to, of course, take the shells off. The shells are not very edible. And we take the shells off, we're going to cut them in half. We're going to take the yolks out and, of course, mix them into that nice spicy mix that we've got going on today. You're going to love it. Let's watch this. Take the eggs out. Now, the easiest way is to just tap them all around. Break the shell all around before starting to peel them. It will be so much easier. They will come off easily and you will have a super, just wash it in the water there, egg. To play the egg in the orchestra. And we cut them lengthways. The egg's kind of long shape. Lengthways works better for deviled eggs. Let's see what we've got here. Oh my goodness. They are perfect. Nice, bright yellow yolks. So what we're going to do is simply extract the yolk into this mixing bowl. There we go. I'm just going to keep cutting the eggs lengthways and extracting, which is the professional term for pulling out, it's extracting the yolk from each egg. Oh, these are going quite nicely now. So we just retain, of course, the whites, because we're going to be spooning this yolk mixture back in. So regularly, what do we add to eggs that are deviled? We add some mayonnaise. Of course, mayonnaise goes in, but here are the secrets that are going to help you. The #1 secret to fantastic, velvety, rich, amazing, unparalleled, world-class, genius deviled eggs is a little touch of melted butter. Little touch of partially melted butter, because I did this earlier, but melted butter, that goes in. It's going to make it so rich that it's just incredible. Now, we're making these spicy and zesty, and you will thank me for this. English mustard. English mustard. English mustard is a must that you should use. So here we go. We're going to put a couple of good dollops of English mustard in there. This mustard is strong. If you haven't tried it before, be careful. You can use standard yellow mustard. It won't taste the same. It won't be these zesty, exciting eggs. It just won't be. I'm going to put a little bit of salt in there. I'm going to put a little bit of pepper in there. And I'm going to put now the secret to these spicy eggs is some simple curry powder. Buy it in the store. Smells tremendous. It's a blend of different spices. Oh my goodness. And we just tap some in here. If you're adventurous, go big, go bold. If you're not, go big, go bold. It's time to change. Let's give this a mix around and see how we look. We want it to be a nice creamy consistency. Don't forget the butter's in there too. This is so simple to do, but so impressive. If you're having a party, make those little snacks on the trays that posh people do. You can do that. As I always say, taste it before you serve it. Don't serve things you haven't tasted yourself to make sure they taste good. Here we go. Just a little bit. Just a little sneak for the chef. Let's see what we think. Tremendous. All we got to do now is fill the shells. We just have to fill the shells with the mixture. So we're putting the yolk back in. Yes, we are. We're putting the yolk back in quite simply. So we put these eggs now with the yolk mixture back in, the deviled mixture back in, into a grill-safe pan. Put them under the grill. There's lots of fat in the yolk mixture here. It'll crisp up nicely, it'll brown a little bit, gives extra flavor, extra texture. These are incredible. Plus we got some little toppings to go on top that'll kick it up another notch. Let's put it in the grill. These eggs have been under the grill long enough just to get a little crispiness on top, and we're gonna finish them with some amazing toppings that push this up even another notch. What do we have? We have jalapeno pepper. Very hot, very spicy, very exciting, very necessary on these eggs. We're just going to put that over the top. And then, of course, which deviled egg would be complete without crispy bacon? And finally, just to make it a little authentic, there's a little touch of paprika over the top. Let's transfer these. This is kind of hot. Let's transfer these to our serving dish because we are in a hurry, because we are hungry, and we want to taste these. Bold, spicy, deviled eggs. Try them. They're fantastic. Look! But now I get to try a bold and spicy grilled deviled egg. It's almost indescribable. The crunchy bacon with the jalapeno, the richness of the yolk mixture, the slight curry hints that kind of punch it up, the English mustard that's gone into the background. This is surprisingly complex. This is not your average deviled egg. Give it a try. You're always welcome in my kitchen. Subscribe. There'll be more. See you next time.